Cooking with Spam, a Hawaii local favorite food. Here, sharing my version of egg fried rice with Spam. So I normally start scrambling and cook the eggs separately. You don't want to overcook the eggs since this will be cooked again later. So remove the eggs and clean out the pan or wok that you're cooking on. So when cooking fried rice, you can basically add any meat of your choice. I like to add bacon. And one thing good about this is you can cook this first without adding any oil. You want to get the oil from the bacon because having the bacon oil just adds a little more flavor. Here you can add the Spam or any meat to your choice. Since Spam is pre-cooked, it doesn't need to be thoroughly cooked. Add some oil here. I'm using peanut oil. Add some garlic. Since you'll be cooking this at high heat, you want to make sure you do not burn your garlic. Add the scrambled eggs that we cooked earlier. Here I'm adding carrots and peas. So these are frozen, so I just simply do a quick rinse to thaw it off, then leave it on a paper towel to dry. Now carrots and peas add color to the dish. After all, we do eat with our eyes. You want to use leftover rice. The preferred type of rice that I use is jasmine rice. It's a long grain rice and it gives a nice fragrance. You want to break and loosen the chunks of rice while mixing. Easy way is to loosen your rice before starting to cook. Add some soy sauce of your choice. Here I'm adding oyster sauce, so this is what enhances the flavor, so a generous amount will not hurt. In fact, you want to add more to get your rice slightly tanned. Make sure you do a constant mix to avoid burning at the bottom or create a steaming that will get your rice soggy. So after a good mix, remove from the pan. Finally, I like to add whole eggs, either sunny side up or over easy. Place on top, and finally add green onions to garnish. And here we go, a simple egg fried rice featuring Spam. Enjoy.